Are you getting the "you're following too fast" error on TikTok? This happens when TikTok detects rapid following activity and temporarily restricts your actions. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the "you're following too fast" issue on TikTok on your iPhone. So, no more wasting any time, let's just get started. Open up the Safari browser. Type and search TikTok feedback. Next, tap on the first link called Report a Problem. Tap on the topic drop-down menu. Select Report a Bug/Feature Request. After that, tap on the category drop-down menu. Select Report a Bug. Now enter your email address and username. Next, describe your problems in the additional detail box. Like, "Dear TikTok team, whenever I follow someone on TikTok, it said, 'You're following too fast. Please help me to solve this problem.'" Then, attach a screenshot of your problem. Checkmark both the boxes and hit the submit button. After that, TikTok support will review your account and respond to you within 48 hours. And that's how you can fix the "you're following too fast" issue on TikTok with your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.